Today I'm going to be looking at the Movo X1 Mini camera mic. This was under $100. It's an off-brand that a lot of people seem to really like, and it's got very high reviews, so I thought I'd try it. You're listening to with just the camera mic. So it's a Supercardioid shotgun microphone. I'm going to open it up and then we'll test it out. Oh, very nice case. Wow. I've never gotten a mic with a nice case like this. Okay. The creators wanted, happy, and a little instruction manual. Very simple, to the point. Here is the 3.5 input for your phone. And here it is for your iPad/phone. Here is the wind muffle. Right here. What these do when you're talking outside or anywhere there's wind, it'll muffle the sound. Sometimes it muffles out deep hums, like with your air conditioner and stuff. Sometimes. Here is the shock mount. Plastic. And then you've got the typical. Okay. You also have the USB-C connectors. There's the mic. It feels like a decent quality. X1 Mini. Okay, and here's also a muffle. This also helps, like your P's, and it helps muffle that. If it sounds as good as it looks, I'm happy. You can use this as a headphone monitor right there. Headphone or external mic. That's nice. There's your USB-C. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my camera and we'll see how it works. Brand that a lot of people seem to really like, and it's got very high reviews. So I thought I'd try it. You're listening to my camera now with just the camera mic. Here is the Movo camera mic, and I'm using it with the Sony ZV-1 camera, and we'll have to hear how it sounds. We'll go to post and check it out. And now you're listening to the Movo mic connected to my MacBook Pro, connected directly from USB to USB, and we'll see how that sounds. I've used this on several of my demos. This thing is wonderful. I just have it on my camera, don't have to worry about any of the settings. Everything's perfect with it. I love this microphone, and I would highly recommend this to anyone who's looking for a camera mic. Just for a comparison, I've switched to my Audax microphone, OM2, running through my Focusrite Scarlett, just for a little comparison. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.